Gucci Mane Montana from East Carolina. I'm a dog, I'm a dog, I'm a dog, I'm a dog. Every dog have his day, man.
Big shout out to my man
Every
Jay
dog.
Penn and all of that.
You know I'm not a dog. Gucci. So Ice Entertainment. So Ice, baby. Gucci. Yeah. Yo, the great, baby. Yo, look.
This is Down and Dirty edition, the president.
Linked up, man.
With the Down and Dirty drip. Bobby Black.
I'm a dog, 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 I'm a dog.
Hey people, I'm looking rough because I just got up like not so long ago. But I have a question. My Pomeranian had puppies. I have one of the puppies. I want to know if anybody can tell me like what do you think the dog is like mixed with? Because I don't know. I go on one of the dogs. This is the fluffy one. Wait. Shit, little feet. Little feet. You got like, if you look at it like real close, I got like blue eyes. It's not gonna stay that color. See the fluffiness. See how fat it is. Like really fluffy. See? So like, what is this dog mixed with? It's like a really thick fur. It's mostly colored. It's a boy. And you know, it's just, you know, I don't know. I don't know what it's mixed with. It's like a teddy bear. People, everybody need to say like a teddy bear. So what kind of dog is this? He wants to go back to sleep. So, when I look at it, what kind of dog do you think it's mixed with? Pomeranian, something else. It's 2 weeks. So I gotta have some comments back on what kind of dog it is. Then I'll be happy. Bye.
Gucci Mane Montana from East Carolina. I'm a dog, I'm a dog, I'm a dog, I'm a dog. Every dog have his day, man.
Big shout out to my man Jay
Every dog.
Penn and all of that.
You know I'm not a dog. Gucci. So Ice Entertainment. So Ice, baby. Gucci. Yeah. Yo, the great, baby.
Yo, look. This is Down and Dirty.